Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to showing how to check someone's liked videos on TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open any TikTok video whose likes you want to see. When you open TikTok's video, all the people who have liked your video will be shown to you at the right bottom. Here you can see that people who have liked this video, those people are visible here. In the right bottom you can see that people who have liked my video are showing here. You can also follow them and like their videos. And you can also visit their profile. In this way you can check someone's liked videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.